I made 12,000 day trading the 5-minute chart this week, and I'm gonna show you guys the strategy that I use so you can actually use that strategy or use some of it, or just, maybe use the whole thing, back test it, see if it works for you. Now, let me go through the strategy, and then I'm gonna show you guys the live trading of me making the 12,000. So let's just go over the strategy, okay? So overall, what I'm looking for, guys, is very simple. I'm looking for the 5-minute chart, right, to give me levels every single day. Now, these levels could be recent, which is, during the day. So, okay, so let's say this is the 5-minute chart, and during the day, it makes levels, right? And we're looking for the swing highs, possibly the swing lows, and we're just looking for the market to react to these levels. And we are looking to take a trade around these levels right here. Or let's say the market breaks out, pulls back to another level right here. We're looking to make trades around these levels. Now, we're looking for a reaction. We're not looking to get in as soon as the market hits that level. We're looking for some type of reaction. I'm looking for a candlestick reaction. Again, I'm gonna show you guys later on when I'm showing you guys the trades. But overall, this is what I'm looking at, right? Now, this is the intraday levels, meaning that these levels right here are levels where you can actually use during the day. These levels are created during the day. Now, there might be levels from yesterday, okay? So let's say yesterday we created a high, and now this high right here could be resistance. So if we come up to here, okay, that means that we could definitely, look to see if the market reacts to that level, okay? And vice versa, a low, we're looking for maybe yesterday's low, and everything is on a 5-minute chart. Direction, 5-minute, the levels, entries, exits, everything is a 5-minute chart. So let me go and show you guys the trades that I took so you can actually get a better idea. So let's go over the first trade. So the first trade was basically, I'm looking at, 5-minute levels again. This was actually a resistance from yesterday's high right here. So I'm looking at that level right here, okay? And I noticed that the market reacted to that level. Now, I didn't take this first short right here, and we slammed down. Now, okay, I'm looking at this level right here, okay? So we have the market reacting to this level right here. So overall, I'm looking at, the market selling off, okay? Reacting to the level. Remember, we're looking for levels, 5-minute levels. We're looking for reactions at those levels. It came back. Now we have another level right here. Okay, so overall, I saw that it was rejecting right here multiple times. So I went short right here and I got stopped out. Okay, so that was the first trade. Got stopped out. It is what it is. Can't complain about that. Now, I was looking for 2 times my money, and I got stopped out. Now we created another red candle right here, nice selling going on, so I went short again, and basically I looked for a 2-to-1, 2 times my money, and that was a winner. So that day basically was a successful day for me, and the market was going down. So let me show you guys the live clip on this one. So this is the trade right here. If you look to the left, I'm actually down 700. That's from the first trade that I lost, and this is the second trade right here. I'm in it, and I'm looking for the market to just go to my target profit, and I'm looking for profit. So let me fast forward this, and let me show you guys what happened. All right, so look at this right here, guys. It looked like the market was about to stop me out. Okay, this is why you have to have a stop loss period in the market. But this is a good example of the myth that goes around that the market is looking to stop you out. Yes, the market does, stop you out, but the market could easily could have just went up and stopped me out, but it did. I mean, look how close it was literally to my stop loss. So the market is not really looking to stop you out every single time. Guys, please do not believe that. Now, the market had a chance to stop me out. It didn't. And, good thing I had my stop loss in place. Now let's fast forward this, and let's basically just see what happened next. All right, so right here, you're looking at the market basically going to my target profit, and I'm waiting. Everything looks good. Liking that trade, and it's going to my target profit, and it's about to give me my profits right now. I don't know what's going on. Let me fast forward this. Oh, there you go. Boom. So if you look to the left, I'm actually up $7,556 for the day. Again, the first trade didn't work out, but the second trade worked out. This is a futures broker, so let me just basically show you that, you know, this is a live account. Right here, you see me switch, okay, to demo right here. So this is demo right now. So if somebody's trading demo on this account, you'll see that it's blue. It will say sim. And right here, you see that I'm going back to the real account, okay? So that's, you know, how you know if I was trading demo. It would be blue and it would say sim. All right, so the next day, guys, was basically straight to the point. We had to the left, okay, we had this right here going on, this support level. So overall, what I'm looking at is some type of head and shoulder pattern right here, right? And we did have reactions, all right? Again, I'm looking for reactions at my key levels on the 5-minute chart. So we have reactions right there. And then when the market opened right here, we popped up, we pulled back. We basically, you know, hit this area multiple times. I got in right here and I looked for my 2-to-1. And that was actually a nice quick trade. I wish every trade was like this, but you know, that's life. You know, every trade is not like this, okay? But you know, this went straight to my target profit. You know, didn't play around, no drawdown, no nothing. It just went crazy. So let me show you guys a quick live trade. So right here, guys, you see that I'm in the market, and basically I'm looking for my profits. Everything, you know, I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was gonna get stopped out. It was playing around a little bit, but finally it went up. So let me fast forward that. Okay, so right here, I actually got my target, you know, quicker than I thought I was gonna get it. And you see how the market is shot up, and I didn't realize that, you know, my targets got hit, and also I didn't have all of my targets in place. So I'm still in the move, and I didn't realize it. I went to the bathroom, and I came back like, oh shoot! And I got out, I flattened. I was supposed to be up like 4K, but I'm basically up 3,900 for that trade. So, all right, so that was that day. Let's go to the next day. All right, here's the next day, guys. So basically, this is where the market opened up right here, and we shot. Actually, no, this is where the market opened up right here. We shot down, and we went back up, and I was actually looking for shorts right here. And we had this, you know, resistance level, looking for some type of, you know, something right here, but we just went straight up, and I didn't really like anything right here. So what I was looking for is, okay, I was like, we have a nice supply level right here. Let me see if I see any type of reactions around here, and that's when I got caught. So I took a short right here because we had a first reaction, and then we have another reaction. So when I saw that the second one, I went short, okay, and then I got stopped out, unfortunately, and then I went short again right here, and I got stopped out. And then I went short one more time because we had this nice bearish bar, and if this trade didn't work out, you know, I was done for the day. Fortunately, this trade worked out. Got my nice 2-to-1, and pretty much, let me show you guys the trade. All right, so right here, I'm in the trade, and I'm looking for the market to go to my target profit. I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was gonna get stopped out on this trade too. The market was just so strong. I mean, it was just not. I mean, no shorts was. It's like as soon as somebody goes short, they buy it right back up. So honestly, I didn't think that this was going to work out, but it worked out. So let me fast forward this real quick. All right, so right here you see me that I got my target profit, and I'm pretty much out. Let's look to the left. If you see that I'm up, only $730 for that day because remember I took 2 L's. So all right, that was that day, guys. So let's go to the next day. All right, so this day was straight to the point. Okay, overall you see that the market is bullish. Okay, remember, I'm only looking at the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, the market was bullish. It was holding these lows right here. And basically, I'm just looking for a continuation. Overall, the market opened around here. And basically, the market popped up, came back down, gave me a nice little double reaction around here. So I went long, okay? So I'm looking for either some type of double reaction at that level, or I'm looking for maybe a bullish bar. So I went long right here. And this is another clean trade, straight to the point, just straight to my target profit. And let's go to the recording real quick. All right, so you see that I'm in this trade, and basically I'm waiting for the market to go to my target profit. Everything is looking good. No complaints, so let's fast forward this. All right, so right here you see that the market basically, boom, it's going to my target profit, and I'm done for the day. $6,353 for that trade. Okay, now let's go to today, which is Friday. A tough day for me. I lost 2 times in a row, and that was it. It's just what it is. So let's go for the trades, and let me show you. So right here, again, I was looking for resistance, and it lets you guys know that every trade or every system is not going to win 100% of the time. So right here, I'm looking for shorts. Took a short right here. Nice reaction, another reaction. So we have like a double reaction right here. So I took a short, okay, right here, and I got stopped out, okay. And then the last trade was right here. It looked like we was basically like making lower highs, right? I went short and got stopped out again. All right, so let me show you guys the quick trade. So right here, you see that I'm in the trade. Honestly, I thought this trade was gonna work out. It was looking good, but unfortunately, it stopped me out. So let me fast forward that. All right, so right here, you're about to see that the market is about to stop me out. Looking very bullish. It is what it is. It's funny because I thought before I even took this trade, I felt it, like I knew I was gonna get stopped out. If you look, I'm down 3,000, and it's like, guys, even if you feel like you're gonna get stopped out, you still have to, follow your rules. So it is what it is. Like, I stopped out. It doesn't matter, how I feel. Okay, if it's part of my system, I got to take the trade no matter what. I take a trade and I feel like it's not going to work out, and guess what? It works out. So never rely on your feelings, guys. So let me show you guys the next trade. Right, here's the next trade. I'm in the market right here, and went short again, and unfortunately, it stopped me out. So let me fast forward that, show you guys real quick. All right, so right here is about to stop me out, and boom, stop me out, and I'm down $6,383 for the day. It is what it is. Still have a profitable week, so even with that loser, I'm still up for the week. So those are my trades. That's the system I'm using on a 5-minute chart, trading only one market. Not doing top-down analysis, just looking at the 5-minute chart and basically basing my my trades on that. Again, it's not going to be 100% win rate. No strategy in the world is going to give you 100% win rate. But as long as you follow your rules, you could definitely make a career, just trading this simple price action, 5-minute levels, looking for reactions, and make sure that you at least going for 2 times your money, and go from there. Okay, now you definitely have to back test so you can get familiar with this, or go on demo first so you get familiar with this. But this is my system. Hope you guys enjoy this. Now, if you want to learn how I make these profits, just go below and you're going to find all the information down there. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.